Hey guys, welcome back to Books Gossip. I'm Mansi, back again with a new book video. And this time I'm doing a bookish challenge. I have seen many bookstagrammers and booktubers do this challenge and I thought why not give it a go. Well, I am not doing this challenge alone. I am doing this challenge with a fellow bookstagrammer, that is Shivangi. She's also a bookstagrammer as well as a booktuber, and her Instagram page is Click and Reads and her YouTube page is named I Read. The link for the same is in the description below. Guys, do check out her channel and subscribe to her channel because I must tell you she gives amazing reviews. So for this challenge, what we both did is we gave each other 10 different sets of questions and we are going to answer about have we read that book, and whoever answers the most questions with a yes is going to win the challenge. She has already answered my questions and the video has been uploaded on her channel. You could check it out over there, as well as the link is in the description below. And she has answered 9 questions correctly, that is with a yes, and only 1 question with a no. And I am going to try that मैं ज़्यादा questions yes के साथ answer कर सकूँ, but let's see who wins. So let's begin with the questions. So the first question is, have you read a book which has a title 10 letters long? Yes, I have read a book which has a title 10 letters long, that is The Sea Sisters. The story is about 2 sisters and their bond, their love for each other, and how one sister is exploring the whole story behind the death of the other sister. I've also reviewed this book. If you like to check it out, the link is in the description below. And for future reference, जितनी भी books को मैंने review करा होगा, which I'm going to answer in these questions, सबके links I'm going to put in description so that तुमको जाके ढूंढना ना पड़े. You could just check it out over there. Moving on to the next question. So the second question is, have you read a book which is written by more than one author? Yes, I have read that book and I really regret reading that book. That is Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. You will get to know that by the review which I have done about this book. I have criticized and I have made pinpoint everything which is wrong with this book. And if you are also a Harry Potter fan, do watch this video so that you should get to know why you should not read Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. The next question in this list is, have you read a book which is not written in English? Well, yes, I have read a book which is not written in English, and to be honest, that was my first ever Hindi book. That book is, wait a sec. Yes, Digital Stories by Vipin Verma. Well, this book is a collection of many short stories, and there are small, like literally it took me 5 minutes to read each story. There are small stories about various things which are going on in society, in digital media, online fraud, etc. I really enjoyed this book and I've also reviewed this one, so you could check it out. The next question in this section is, have I read a book which has 4 or more people on its cover? No, I have not read any book. As far as I recall, मैंने ऐसी कोई भी book नहीं पढ़ी है, because generally या तो covers पे कोई haunted house बना होता है या murder weapon बना होता है, because मेरा genre उस type का है, और else generally 1 या 2 main characters होते हैं. 4 or more people on the cover, I don't recall reading any such book. The next question is, have I read a book in which the lead character dies? Well, yes, I have read a book in which the lead character dies. That is The Fault in Our Stars. I guess most of you people have read that book or at least heard about that book. The book is written by John Green and I really loved reading that book from him. That is why मैंने John Green से लिखी हुई दूसरी book, that is Looking for Alaska. I read that too and I loved that book too. I've reviewed Looking for Alaska, but I haven't reviewed The Fault in Our Stars because it was, self-explanatory. The book was so good. मैं review करती भी तो क्या बोलती कि बहुत अच्छी book है, you should definitely read. There are movies made on that book in Hollywood as well as Bollywood. I've watched both the movies and I loved the movies as well as the book. So yes, in that book, the main character, that is Hazel, she dies because of a tumor, and that would definitely fix in this category, the book in which the lead character dies. The next question is, have I read a memoir? And yes, I have only read one memoir, that is, wait a sec, this one, Unfinished by Priyanka Chopra. And I haven't read any other memoir, and I am really thankful I read this book, because for me, Priyanka Chopra was just a, movie star. She makes amazing movies. She looks so hot. She dances so well. But after reading this book, I got to know so much about her. There was so much, struggle and the things she have done to reach at the position at which she is right now. So I'm really thankful I read this book. Next question in the list is, have I read a book which has the character's name in the title? I have read many books with that, and they are my two of favorite book sets basically, that is Harry Potter and Percy Jackson. The whole book series have the names of the main character, that is Harry Potter and the Percy Jackson in the title, and then it continues, that is Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix, or Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters. So yeah, these two series definitely fit in this category. Moving on to the next question, that is, have I read a book which have pages between 500 to 510? So yes, I have read a book like that. Well, not it is just a single book. This is basically this one. Wait a sec. I don't know if you have ever seen this kind of book or not. This is a hardcover by Agatha Christie, and in this book there are two different books of Agatha Christie which are combined, and the book is of 506 pages. The two stories which are combined over here are Nemesis and Mirror Cracked from Side to Side. I've read both the books and they're nice. I haven't reviewed them yet, and I will soon post a review about that too. Now we can move on to the next question, that is, have I read a book which includes both poetry and articles? So no, I am not interested in poetry, and I haven't read any book which is regarding poetry. So there goes 2 questions with a no. This means that I have definitely lost the challenge. But for the sake of just completing the challenge, let's answer the last question in the challenge. That is, have I read a book in which the author has written his pen name? So yes, I have read a book in which the author has used his pen name rather than the original name. That is C.S. Lewis. He has written the books Chronicles of Narnia. His actual name is Clive Staples Lewis, and on the book he uses C.S. Lewis. So yeah, that is his pen name, and I've read that book. To be honest, it's a children's story, but I cannot help but say that how much I enjoyed. I even read the Chronicles of Narnia in a readathon. I completed all the 7 books in 24 hours, and it was such a pleasant as well as tiring experience, no doubt. And I have made a video about that. You should definitely check that out. The link for the same will be in the description below. Alright guys, the result is quite clear. Shivangi was able to answer 9 questions with a yes, and I was only able to answer 8 questions. But I really enjoyed doing this challenge. No doubt she wins and I lost. That is a sore spot. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this challenge. I'm definitely up for more such challenges. If you have in mind any such challenges, do tell me. I would love to do them alone or with some other bookstagrammer. But do tell me in the comment section if you want me to do any such challenges. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was enjoyable to you as well. And I really enjoyed doing this video. If you also enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Books Gossip. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. You could also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is right here on the screen, as well as the link is in the description below. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Until then, keep reading. Bye.